enter into the next exercise with the ideas which we want to move. When we do sympathy, antipathy, that's in a way a sort of, I stream out into the world in sympathy and I withdraw. I come to myself. In this exercise, we don't do it with the soul, but we do it with the body in a way that the body feels these qualities. And we sink down from the heart. Down there. And when we sink down into the lower realms, there's these currents which come normally from back to front. So we sink down and then these currents take us along towards the world. That's what, yeah? That's one aspect. The other aspect is that we watch our standing leg, which slowly carries us down, that we can dive into the stream and slowly brings us up again. And when we watch the standing leg, the carrying leg, it's becoming quite easy, quite normal that the other one gets lots of time. Time becomes a space to move very slowly forward, or to be carried, or to feel carried forward, and to return very slowly again. And when we go down and we feel carried forward, we naturally go down. When we return, we do not withdraw what we have done, but we stay down there. We come back and stay connected with the streams down there. And on another level, we arrive here. We are down there and here. When we do antipathy, it's we go backwards with our foot into this realm. I show it here. And this going backwards makes and stretching the leg makes a concentration in our spine. We feel very concentrated. And when we bring the leg slowly back, we try to keep this concentration, this feeling like a stick, like concentrated. So that in the middle, we have from the sympathy, the experience of being wide and warm, and from the antipathy, we are very centered. And we as a human being are both. Now, let's try to go into it, and I just stand sideways. And if I do it too slow, feel free to do it quicker, but practice to use the standing leg as the key towards this making a space out of a slow movement. Go down and slowly enter the streaming forward in the stream and stream sympathy. And slowly I return and I stay down. I stand on both legs to give my hips a chance to talk to each other, to relax. I feel the difference in my legs again. We go to antipathy. Slowly, I go in the space behind, I stretch, and I create this centeredness. And slowly, I come back to the middle, not to lose anything of this centeredness, the stays. And I arrive. I feel the centeredness, still. Both legs, both hips. Sympathy. Slowly being carried up again. Watch your standing leg arrive. Communication between your hips. Slowly go backwards with the foot. Creep into the space behind. Anchor yourself there. Become centered and upright. Bring this quality back to your center. Upright, centered, big. Stand on both legs. Let your hips communicate. Sympathy. Can you experience the streaming down there? And against the stream you come back. Stand on both feet. Slowly go backwards. Antipathy. Feel the breath, how it changes the breath. And come to the center. Keep this quality of bigness and centeredness. Feel your legs and feel your hips. Sit down for 20, 30 seconds, half a minute to relax. How do your legs feel now compared to after? Yes and no. What do your hips say? What do they say now and what will they might be say later? Maybe you watch them a little bit later again. What's about the relationship of light and warmth? How do you experience them too? Archetypal polarities, light and warmth now in your limbs, in your body, in your head.